Departure boards. Layover in Istanbul. Wings carving cloud. 2 rings, 1 horizon. This is our honeymoon in Bali. Heavy cloud await us on our arrival. The brochure Bali flags first, daybeds and designer sunsets, jungle club views, menus that speak 5 languages. A hotel in Ubud, then a Canggu that looks carved from a dream. Fame's beach bar roaring its golden hour. Merlin's restaurant plated like art. Gajah Putih dimmer, eye candlelight. Expensive reservations made. Shots lined up. We booked the best. Framed the best. Lived the brochure. Then the volume dropped. Offerings on every doorstep. Man and nature in one place. From the water temples celebrating the gods to the monkeys that live in union with humans. From Nusa Penida's incredible views to a Kecak dance's circle of fire. People might earn in a month what visitors spend in the weekend and somehow share more. Time, smiles, space on the scooter, directions without hurry. So this was the real souvenir. Love that learns, love that listens. Not in the luxury we expected, but in the attention we offered. Not in the price of dinner, but the way we looked at each other when the chanting began. We arrive with expectations. We leave with something heavier and better. A promise to live that the island's rhythm. Ritual over rush, meaning over noise, and us over everything else.